I am Rajeline Bautista. I am 38 years old and I am married also with two children. My eldest son is 7 years old and also my daughter is 5 years old. I work here in Hong Kong for almost 8 years, and in my first employer there are 4 members in the family. There are 2 adults and 2 children at the age of 13 and 15. And then I taken care also a dog. And my second employer also in mid-level. She is only one, but she is elderly, 75 years old. And the size of the house is 2,800. I do cooking, cleaning, iron, and also car wash, and also gardening. And my third employer here is I taking care of 4 members, 2 elderly and 2 adult. I do cooking, cleaning, and then sometimes I go marketing, all of that. Thank you.